In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a good-looking LucidSpark. Start by heading to lucid.app and signing in. Once you're on the home page, you'll see options to create something new. You can start from a blank whiteboard or a diagram if you want full control from scratch, but to move faster and still get a polished result, we'll use a pre-made template. Open the template gallery and browse the categories. You'll find options like AI initiatives, agile, and process templates, among others. These are designed to give you a solid structure right away. For this walkthrough, choose the roadmap template. It's great for planning and communicating timelines and priorities, and it gives you a clean visual framework to build on. When you select it, LucidSpark will open the template in a new tab so you can jump straight into editing without losing your place. With the template open, begin by tailoring it to your needs. Replace any placeholder titles with your project name and time frame. Double-click text to edit and keep your headings short and consistent so the board remains easy to scan. If the template has lanes or swim lanes, adjust them to match teams, phases, or themes, depending on how you want to organize your work. Next, customize the visual style. Use the formatting toolbar to set a cohesive color palette. Choose 2 or 3 main colors and use them consistently for categories, milestones, and status labels. This avoids visual clutter and makes the roadmap easier to read at a glance. If your template includes shapes or sticky notes, keep their sizes uniform. The alignment and distribution tools help keep everything tidy, and snapping to grid ensures clean spacing. Add or remove sections as needed. You can duplicate existing rows or columns to maintain the same layout, then drag and drop items into place. Adjust time blocks so they reflect realistic durations, and add milestones or markers to highlight key deliverables. If connections are included, use arrows and lines to show dependencies, and keep line styles consistent to avoid confusion. As you refine the board, zoom in to fine-tune labels and zoom out to confirm the overall balance. Keep text legible, avoid walls of text, and aim for a clear hierarchy. Big, bold titles, concise item labels, and brief notes where needed. When you're done editing, take a final pass to check alignment, spacing, and color consistency. That's it. Your LucidSpark roadmap now looks clean, purposeful, and ready to share.